Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you navigate the vast world of AI applications. To begin, clearly define what you want an AI app to achieve for you. Are you looking to boost productivity, enhance creativity, or streamline data analysis? Understanding your specific goals is the crucial first step in selecting the perfect tool for your needs, ensuring a smart and effective choice. AI applications broadly fall into several categories. Productivity tools, for instance, can automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. Creative AI apps empower artists and writers by generating new ideas or refining existing content. Meanwhile, data analysis applications help make sense of complex information, revealing patterns and insights that might otherwise be missed. Each category serves distinct purposes. When evaluating an AI app, consider its performance and trustworthiness. Accuracy is paramount, especially for critical functions where errors could be costly. Scalability is also key. Ensure the app can grow with your needs, handling more data or users over time. Finally, always scrutinize privacy policies and data security protocols to protect your information effectively. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so look for apps that offer regular updates and new features. Strong community support and readily available resources can also be invaluable for troubleshooting and learning. Before committing, take advantage of free trials to thoroughly test an application's suitability for your specific workflow. This approach ensures you make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.